Hey there, my name's Niandra. A while back I made the Superjump training game mode where you have some bots in different locations, rings to go through, and the ability to practice both the res and jump. Recently I wanted to take another look and add some new features. So the first one is you no longer have to add the bots yourself, just create the lobby and you're good to go. The next is the ability to teleport a bot to your position by pressing the interact key, so you can make your own super jump locations, and I really recommend you guys play around with this. Here you can see that I guardian angel over the payload just fine, but if I prepare a super jump I get stuck on it. I learned that when you get stuck on props like this, pressing jump as you do so will fling you into the air without you having to reach where your target originally was. It's worthwhile spending a few minutes finding different props because the interactions seem to differ. Currently, the rings still only work on Rialto, but I added a thing where if you play a different map, you'll get a single bot, so if you want to teleport him in front of the Oasis cards for an extra challenge, go right ahead. Besides that, I've also added the ability to go in and out of third person by pressing the reload key. I didn't write the code for this myself, only the implementation, and there's a link in the description to the original. In the top left, you can see your height with meters, and combined with third person, this trainer makes it easy to see why your super jump reses are failing. Also, a few people mentioned in my common mercy mistakes video that if you spam tap angelic descent instead of holding it, you basically get the same effect without opening your wings and making the hitbox bigger, and third person can show if you're doing that right. Last of all, and it's kinda janky, but by hitting your damage boost key, you can toggle bot movement where they run forward for a few seconds, teleport back, and so on. I added this because a few people asked me to be able to practice super jump on moving targets. It's not the most high-tech movement, but hey. So yeah, that's about it for this one. I've also been playing around with a beam juggle practice game mode and currently have a simple base where bots keep taking damage. I was thinking of turning this into like a sort of mini game where you've got 3 bots slowly losing health, but the amount of health increases over time. I like the idea of categorizing the bots as either stable or unstable depending on if their health is above like half, and then for each second they're unstable, take health away from the player. Then when the player dies, give them a score and restart the mini game. My other workshop project is a Simon Says /WarioWare game mode where a Brigitte bot tells you what to do, you've got a few seconds to do it, and if you don't, you're getting hurt. At the moment it's very simple and I'm not frequently working on it because the lack of documentation often makes the workshop pretty frustrating to use, but maybe one day I'll get it done. And that's all from me with this quick video. As always, happy to get feedback on this sort of thing. Thank you so much for watching, feel free to check out my Patreon where I do Mercy bot reviews for $5, and have a nice day.